The 2025 Honda Fit continues its legacy as one of the most practical and reliable subcompact hatchbacks on the market, blending functionality with an updated design and modern tech. This year's model introduces a sharper, more refined exterior that still retains the Fit's iconic compact proportions. Sleek LED headlights, a slightly more aggressive front grille, and sculpted body lines give it a more contemporary and athletic presence. While it remains small enough to navigate tight city streets, the 2025 Fit has a slightly longer wheelbase, subtly improving both ride comfort and interior space. Under the hood, the Fit is powered by a 1.5-liter inline-4 engine that delivers around 130 horsepower, paired with either a smooth CVT or a 6-speed manual transmission, depending on the trim level. The engine isn't designed for high performance but excels in efficiency and reliability, offering an impressive fuel economy that hovers around 36-40 miles per gallon, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and budget-conscious drivers alike. The handling remains nimble and responsive, with a tighter turning radius and refined suspension tuning that enhances both city maneuverability and highway stability. Step inside, and the 2025 Fit impresses with its surprisingly spacious and versatile interior. Honda's famous Magic Seat system returns, allowing the rear seats to fold in multiple configurations to accommodate everything from all items to long cargo. Despite its compact footprint, the Fit offers one of the roomiest cabins in its class, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Materials feel more premium this time around, with soft touch surfaces, a redesigned dashboard layout, and improved sound insulation for a quieter ride. Technology also sees a nice upgrade. The infotainment system features a larger 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Higher trims include built-in navigation, a premium audio system, and a wireless charging pad. Safety is another strong suit, with Honda Sensing coming standard across all models. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition, features that are still rare in this price segment. One of the standout qualities of the 2025 Fit is how it balances everyday usability with thoughtful design. It's not just a car you drive, it's one that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're a student looking for a reliable ride, a city dweller needing something easy to park, or even a small family needing flexibility, the Fit continues to offer exceptional value without cutting corners. Honda's reputation for longevity, combined with this model's smart packaging and impressive efficiency, keeps the Fit firmly at the top of the subcompact class.